This is a quick walkthrough of Google Analytics, just to give an idea of what information is available there. You should have a login for it, which gives you access to your website data. On the side here are the different reports and areas that are available. I'm looking at the Barcodes Ghana website, which has some sales, not a lot of sales, but some sales. And so we can look at different features here. Each of them have a overview, and well, not all of them, but some of them have an overview, so you can look at them. So for example, we can look at behavior, overview acquisition. This is overview of acquisition, where people come from. Now up here in the top left is the date range, so you probably want a longer date range when you're looking, so I'm going to look at 3 months worth of data. Okay, and it'll show me here, so it shows me the users. They vary with day, and you can hover over and see what day of the week people are coming. You've got your e-commerce conversion rate here, which is the percentage of visitors that convert. Just to show you here, you can also compare it with the previous period. So I'm comparing it to the previous period, but you can compare it to a completely different period. So I'm doing this to get an idea of how things have changed from this 3 months to the previous 3 months. Okay, and it's going to show the users here and the users here. You can look at comparisons, so percentage direct to organic search. It hasn't changed a lot. That picture looks similar to this. Down here you can compare data. So the blue data is the current period in this case, and the orange data is the previous period. So organic search have gone up by 15%. Ghana has. Direct has gone down slightly. Overall, very similar behavior in terms of bounce rate or pages per session or session duration. Okay, those are all available there. E-commerce conversion rate is better. Then we go to here. Transactions are better. Revenue is better. So this is a really nice overview for seeing information, having a look at it. Okay, very, very good information here. And you can then look at something else like an overview of your audience. So I'm just going to go back a moment. Go back to overview. You can also dig a bit deeper and look at something like organic search. Clicking on down here. Okay. This is what people have searched for and have found. So these are phrases. The vast majority of visitors, 400-ish out of almost 95%, come with information not provided by Google. But if you look at this sort of thing, so you can dig down if you want to. You can also go to the direct people and see what they've come directly to. Okay, these are the pages they've come directly to. In Ghana, a lot of people are looking for book barcodes. It's quite a high common thing. And you can also drill down into any referrals that have come in and where they've come from. Okay, so these are the places that you're possibly getting visitors coming from. Let's look at acquisition, audience, an overview of the audience. You can look at the technology, mobile, okay, desktop versus mobile comparison and whether it's changing or not. There's all sorts of stuff you can look at here. There's a lot of information. Behavior. Okay, so this is how many page views there are. The average time on the page, 1.31 minute, 34 seconds. Bounce rate is the ones that don't stay on the site for very long. Quite high bounce rates typically on all of our sites. Okay, you can see this information. You can also look at behavior flow. Okay, there's all sorts of information, where people come in, starting page, and so on. You can work this out. There'll be a lot of information on a lot of information on the internet about this. And then some like e-commerce overview. Okay, so this is the sales by day, by month if you want to. It's a lot more information. Okay, by week. Okay. You can see the blue is sales for the recent period and its increase. So you should be seeing tracking taking place here. Basically, this is saying that sales have increased. That's what we like to see. If you suddenly see it flattening off or whatever, you can do something about it. So this is the sort of information that's there, but there's a huge amount of information. You can't break anything in here. You just got to look and see, work it out. Okay, things like time to purchase are interesting. Okay, so most of our people purchase the same day. Days to transaction, 0. So they're transacting on the same day. And then one day, and then there's a few people that buy 28 days afterwards, but most of the sales are same day. So that's similar. You can look at it for yourself and see what you learn from it. So there's lots of information available here. We're encouraging you to get into it and to look at it and see what you can learn from it. The only way to learn from it is to look around and start reviewing it. So yeah, that's what you've got to do. Just play with things like, change your dates. And you might go for a full year here. Okay, let's show you what it's like. You can probably look by month, and then you can probably compare the previous period. I don't know if Ghana goes back that far, possibly doesn't. Okay, so you can start to compare what's happened.